Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn English grammar, second term, lesson number 14, the punctuation marks. So let us going to know about punctuation marks. So before that, you want to know about punctuation marks. So you have to look some punctuation marks here. Then we are going to solve the sentences related punctuation marks. So those are basic punctuation marks which you can look, friends. So first one I will explain one by one: comma, semicolon, colon, full stop, exclamation mark, question mark, apostrophe, quotes, or we can say single inverted comma, double quotes, we can say double inverted comma, hyphen, dash, strokes or slash, we can say, that is parenthesis or round bracket, it is square bracket, and it is ellipsis, and that star we can say asterisk. So those are basic punctuation marks which we can use in the sentences. So let us going to solve the sentences in the lesson which is given. So I have solved for you that sentences you want to look, observe, and you want to solve again some sentences for practice. So let us know about first question. Rewrite the following sentences using proper marks of punctuation. So there are some sentences we want to use a proper punctuation mark in this sentence, and we are going to rewrite that sentence as an answer with proper punctuation marks. So I have solved for you. So that sentences you want to look properly, observe, and you want to follow remaining sentences, as well as you can do more sentences with proper punctuation mark. So let us know first. Kasim's dog was called Spot. So here wherever I have changed, so there I have done underline. So in this sentence there are 4 interchanges I have done, and that changes makes this sentence correct sentence as a punctuation mark. So Kasim's dog, Kasim's K here is small, here capital, so it is as a punctuation mark. Beginning of the sentence, the first letter always capital we are writing, so here K we have used. Then apostrophe, because of that dog is belongs to Kasim, so here apostrophe S is showing the dog is belonging to Kasim. So dog was called Spot, so we knows the dog is of Kasim's dog, so here Spots is the name of the dog, and we knows better that dog, so it is become proper noun. So S is capital as a proper noun here, and at the end full stop we have written. So that is of proper mark of punctuation we have used in this sentence. So second number, the teacher said the earth is round. Here also the capital, this there is a comma into double inverted comma, there's T capital, earth's E capital, and at the end full stop inverted comma complete. So that punctuation mark we have used here. So the teacher said, comma into double inverted comma, the earth is round. So that sentence we have used with correct punctuation marks. So then you want to know one more thing, double inverted comma we can use for the as it is words from anyone which the person express directly, so we can say that is a direct sentence. So it is, we are using in the double inverted comma. So next, third number, what a nice handwriting. So in this sentence, what's W is a capital, that one change, and last one exclamation mark we have written, and that sentence is exclamatory type of sentence. So we have done two changes only here, what's W capital and exclamation mark we have done. So what a nice handwriting the sentence is. Fourth number, I am going to Delhi, said my friend. In this sentence, it is a direct sentence. So I am going to Delhi, it's a direct word of is my friend. I am going to Delhi, it is in double inverted comma. So in this sentence, I we have used as a capital because of it is the beginning of the sentence, that later present, and double inverted comma we have used direct words from my friends. I am going to Delhi, Delhi is D capital because of it is a proper noun, comma, double inverted comma complete, and at the end full stop. Fifth number sentence, hooray, we have won the match. In this sentence, hooray, it's showing exclamation, sudden feelings, and that is why we have used here exclamation mark, H capital, exclamation mark. Here after exclamation mark we have used V's W capital, have won the match, and at the end full stop. So next one, sixth number, what is your brother's name? It is a question. So what's W capital, brother's B capital, here is apostrophe S, and at the end question mark. What is your brother's name? That punctuation mark exactly we have used. 7 number, Sudhir, Ramesh and Rashid are good friends. So Sudhir's S capital, comma, Ramesh R capital, here Rashid R capital, and at the end full stop. At 4 or with comma 5 changes are there. 8 number, I am not tired, said Ali, but I am very hungry. In this sentence, that is Ali's direct words are there. Ali spoke that, so he is saying I am not tired. So that words are of Ali's direct words. So we have used in double inverted comma. Beginning letter is I is capital. Then here comma, double inverted comma complete. Ali is A capital, comma, double inverted comma starts, buts B capital, then at the end full stop and double inverted comma complete. So that is exact punctuation marks we have used. In this sentence there are more punctuation mark we used. So next and last one, 9 number, Milton, the greatest English poet, was blind. In this sentence, Milton's M capital, because of Milton is a proper noun, as well as beginning of the sentence, M capital we used, then comma, then English E capital, and at the end full stop we have used. And that all the sentences we have solved with proper punctuation marks. So like that you want to solve these sentences also in the notebook and in the book also, and you can make more sentences with it. If you are using properly punctuation mark, our language become perfect and understandable. So try to write and know which punctuation mark where we have used. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.